Hey, what's up? Rob here again, and in this video I want to give you a quick review of the ClickFunnels 2.0 Your First Funnel Challenge. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so if you've found this video, you're probably looking for information on ClickFunnels 2.0, and in particular the Your First Funnel Challenge. Now, in October 2022, when ClickFunnels 2.0 was officially launched, Russell Brunson and everyone at ClickFunnels ran a week-long challenge, which they ran live, and it's been recorded so that you can actually go and watch the replays and get involved that way. And the whole point of the challenge was over 5 days to introduce you to ClickFunnels 2.0, as well as the main fundamentals of funnels themselves. So they had some really great speakers on there. Russell himself was on there. And if you were in the VIP, you got even more access to extra sort of mastermind access to the guest speakers in the VIP Zoom rooms. So let's take a look at the Your First Funnel Challenge, and let's see what you actually get in there. So this is the page to sign up. I'll give you the link for that in a minute. So what you've got is, it was recorded over 5 days, as I said. You'll come to this page, you can watch a video about it. There's all these special guest speakers they're people who've used ClickFunnels for themselves, and they've had great success with it. And the way they use it, everyone uses it a different way. Now, over the course of the week, each one of them spoke on stage live about how they use ClickFunnels and how it's changed their lives. There's some really good information in there, some gold nuggets. I certainly took away a lot from it. Now, you can come and sign up for this, but you've got 5 days. Like I said, the first day is mainly Russell Brunson himself talking about funnel hacking. So he'll go through funnel hacking 101, what type of funnel is right for your offer, and he gives you lots of examples as well. And at the end of each day, there's homework. He sets homework where you can get into ClickFunnels 2.0 and you can actually start using the software itself. You also get access to the Your First Funnel Challenge Facebook community, which is great. So you get lots of people, like-minded individuals who are trying to learn ClickFunnels 2.0. Some people have come to funnels for the very first time. Some people are experienced at funnels. Whichever camp you fall into, you'll find that group really useful. Everyone's talking about this. There's some really good characters in there as well. So on to day 2, it talks about your first funnel. Again, there's some guest speakers. Russell talks about the type of funnel everyone should build, regardless of what type of, what your niche is. And again, there's homework for that day as well. Then day 3, he goes over the hook, the story of the offer. So this is what drills down into what your funnel really gives to your customers. So it's all about serving your customers. If you serve your customers first, you're going to get good results from your funnels. Day 4, this is a really good one, really entertaining as well. It's about irresistible ads. Now, lots of people get afraid when they think about creating ads. So the guest speaker on here was brilliant. You need to go and watch it, because she gives you some really good tips on creating ads. And the homework for that night was to actually go and have some fun with it and create some ads. And there were some really funny examples. If you go and look at the Facebook group, you'll see what I mean. And day 5 was tying everything together and actually get the mindset in the right place, and actually getting you to actually go out and take action and build your funnels and actually do it. So if you want to get involved with this, you can come over to the link on the screen. It's claim.myclickfunnels.com/bonus. That'll bring you to this page here. The reason it's called bonus is because I'm giving you over $12,500 worth of bonus training material, which my mentor, Paul Murphy, has been kind enough to let me give away as a bonus. So you've got his groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system, which is nearly $1,000 worth in itself. This teaches you how to rank on Google, on page 1 of Google, any product or service you want. So if you want to get your offer, your funnel out to an audience, and you don't want to spend on ads, this is completely free, and you'll get ranked on page 1 of Google within 24 hours. I know it sounds unbelievable, but if you want to see my results using this very method, check out the video linked above, and you can go and look at that and see the results I've had with it. And I was using it to promote ClickFunnels 2.0 as an affiliate. So yeah, you'll get this. You'll also get weekly group coaching from Paul. He's an internet marketer. He's an expert on getting ranked on the top of Google, on page 1 of Google, using YouTube videos. So you'll get weekly calls with him every week. You can ask questions. You'll always get your questions answered. And he's going to be starting charging for this service soon. So this is, while you can get this now, it's all completely free as a bonus when you sign up to the Your First Funnel Challenge through my link below. Now, you also get a 4-day Google ranking challenge. This gets you to really understand Paul's system. It takes you through a 4-day challenge where you actually take action, and you're going to see your first ranking on page 1 of Google within 4 days. You can go through this. You can do it quicker if you want. He's done it through 4 days just so that the information really sinks in so you really understand it. So that's all the bonuses. Now, also as an additional bonus, if you decide to go off, if you've got no product or service that you want to sell at the moment, you can actually promote ClickFunnels 2.0 as an affiliate. Now, Paul's put together some special training on this, on how you can actually do this. If you look up here in the 24-hour ranking system, he's put a VIP section, which will actually help you generate ClickFunnels 2.0 sales. And as he says here, just 3 sales will cover your monthly ClickFunnels 2.0 subscription. And to help you do that, he's given you the rights to give away this same bonus package to any of your customers who sign up under you. So to get that, as I said, you come to claim.myclickfunnels.com/bonus. Click on any of these buttons here. Simply fill out your name and email address. Click send me the bonuses, and that will take you through to the My First Funnel Challenge page here. All you need to do is fill in your email address here. Click join the first funnel challenge for free, and then the last step, you're going to get this page with Russell Brunson on a video here, and that's going to ask you whether you want to have VIP access. Now, you really want to get this because this is what gives you all of the extra VIP training in the Zoom room that was for VIPs on the actual weekly challenge. But you'll also get unlimited replays for life of the 5-day event. So you really want to do this. And most importantly, you're going to get your ClickFunnels 2.0 30-day trial as part of this. So you get to try ClickFunnels 2.0, the 297 plan, 297 a month plan. You're going to get that for free for 30 days. So you can get in, you can try it out through the channel, through the challenge. You can do the homework and actually get involved and actually get to use the software. So all you need to do is click upgrade to VIP. You'll put in your details, and then you're going to get a receipt for that. Obviously, there's no cost. You can cancel it anytime within the first 30 days. Now, I'm going to send you an email once you've signed up, which will come from that other page. Just reply to that email with your ClickFunnels 2.0 receipt, and I'll send you all of your bonuses. So that's it. The first funnel challenge, once you get inside of it, you're going to get login details, which will bring you to this. Now, you can come in here and you can see the, what's involved in the challenge. But the best part here is, as a VIP, you get the event replays, and you've got every day the various videos, as you can see here. You've got the VIP Q&A, which is brilliant afterwards. We were in the Zoom room, and you can get to ask the VIPs or the guest speakers. People had access to them to ask questions, and that in itself is just mind-blowing, some of the information that was involved in there. Day 2, you can see each day has got its own sections, plus the VIP replays. So all of those are available for life if you sign up for the VIP. And all that means is there's no cost involved. It just means you're going to get a free 30-day trial of ClickFunnels 2.0, and you get this access for life. So that's it. There's so many videos in here, so much information. If you haven't done the first funnel challenge yet, I would highly recommend it. It was brilliant, and I'm still going through watching replays as well. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. So to get my bonuses, as I said, go to claim.myclickfunnels.com/bonus, fill out your details, go through the steps, send me your receipt. You'll get an email from me, and my email address is in the description and the pinned comment as well. And that's it. I'll hope to see you in your first funnel challenge Facebook group. It's a bit of a mouthful. Now, if there's any other videos you want to see about ClickFunnels 2.0, I've got quite a few on my channel, but if there's any that you can't find, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make you a video. Okay, so if you found that video useful, please give it a like, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I release new content. All of that stuff helps me get my videos in front of people like yourself who find them useful. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.